Today we're going to take a look at something really interesting in the AI agent space, CoPaw, which stands for Personal Agent Workstation. CoPaw is an open source AI assistant built on top of the AgentScope framework, and it's designed to run either locally on your own machine or in the cloud while giving you complete privacy and full control over your data. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, CoPaw isn't just meant for conversations. It works as a full personal AI agent workstation, capable of connecting your tools, communication platforms, and daily workflows into one unified intelligent system. At its core, CoPaw focuses on flexibility and control. You can decide which language model your assistant runs, how the agent behaves, what tools it can access, and how memory is handled. One of its biggest highlights is multi-channel chat integration, allowing a single CoPaw assistant to connect natively with platforms like DingTalk, Feishu, QQ, Discord, iMessage, and even custom-built communication channels. This means your AI assistant can follow you across the platforms you already use every day. Another powerful capability of CoPaw is local LLM execution. You can run large language models directly on your own device using technologies like llama.cpp or MLX, eliminating dependency on external APIs and ensuring maximum privacy. This makes CoPaw an excellent choice for users who want secure, offline, or fully self-hosted AI environments. CoPaw is built around a modular agent architecture where prompts, tools, hooks, and memory systems are completely decoupled. Developers can independently modify or extend each component and assemble their own customized AI agent setup. Alongside this, CoPaw includes an extensible skill system with built-in scheduling, allowing the assistant to automatically load skills and execute recurring tasks using cron-based automation. One of the most unique aspects of CoPaw is its long-term memory and heartbeat mechanism. Over time, the assistant remembers your preferences, decisions, and ongoing tasks and can proactively perform actions such as checking emails, generating reports, organizing to-do lists, or compiling summaries, even without being manually prompted. From a technical perspective, CoPaw combines Python for backend intelligence with a TypeScript-based console interface, all powered by the AgentScope framework, a production-ready environment for building intelligent agents. It also provides unified model management supporting Cloud API, self-hosted inference services, or llama, llama.cpp, and MLX-based local models. CoPaw is designed for real-world use cases including productivity automation, research assistance, creative content generation, desktop management, knowledge organization, and even lifestyle tracking. The more you use it, the smarter and more personalized your assistant becomes through continuous memory learning. When compared to frameworks like AutoGPT or CrewAI, CoPaw positions itself differently. As a complete personal AI workstation that combines local deployment, multi-channel communication, proactive automation, and full privacy control inside a single open source platform released under the Apache 2.0 license. So in simple terms, CoPaw is not just an AI chatbot. It's a fully customizable personal AI ecosystem designed to act as your digital teammate for everyday workflows and automation. In the next video, I'll show you step by step how to install and deploy CoPaw on your system and start running your own personal AI agent.